Hi friends, today I am going to talk the basic concept of USG. This one is the continuation of previous lectures. Now I will talk about 5 important terminology. These important terminologies are used in every time in our daily USG practices. What are they? Number 1, ecogenicity. Number 2, eco-texture. Number 3, acoustic enhancement. Number 4, acoustic shadow. And last one is attenuation. That is number 5. So this one, ecogenicity, eco-texture, acoustic enhancement, acoustic shadow, and last one, attenuation. Now what is ecogenicity? Basically it is the amount of USG beam which is bouncing back from the target tissue which is to be examined to our USG monitor. In another word, in simple way you can say the brightness of the tissue is equal to the ecogenicity. More the brightness, more the ecogenicity. Ecogenicity again of 4 types: hyperechoic or hyperechogenic, hypoechoic, anechoic, and isoechoic. For example, bone having hyperechogenic structure, fatty tissue hypoechogenicity or hypoechoic structure, anechoic structure are blood vessel, that is vein and arteries. By this echogenicity we can diagnose many diseases. For liver, fatty liver; for uterus, uterine fibroid, etc. Now coming to the eco-texture. What is this? This is basically gives some idea about the organ, its shape and characteristic pattern of layer. Basically shape of that organ giving the idea on eco-texture. Again, eco-texture of 2 types: homo-ecotexture and hetero-ecotexture. Now coming another important terminology, that is acoustic enhancement. What is this? Basically there is hyperechoic structure of the target tissue that is lie behind that of the structure on USG monitor. For example of a cyst, this hyperechoic structure are creating that is lie behind the cyst structure. So this acoustic enhancement, that is acoustic enhancement and lie behind that of a structure, that is acoustic enhancement. Then coming another important terminology, acoustic shadow. This is just opposite of acoustic enhancement. Here this hypoechoic structure or shadow created by the organ to be examined, that is lie behind that of structure, that is acoustic shadow. For example, this is the stone and this gives rise the posterior acoustic shadow, that is black one. In case of acoustic enhancement, there is bright one lie behind that of structure, that is fluid filled cyst. Now coming to the last terminology, that is attenuation. It is basically the decreased USG intensity or beam of intensity, as because the structures which absorbs the beam that is coming from the USG probe or scattered or reflected of that USG beam. So the structure more or less decrease the echogenicity or equal to the anechoic structure. So these are 5 terminology which are used again and again and important, so used in our day-to-day USG practice. Thank you.